Gina and Jonathan have been married for 10 years and want to throw a Valentine's Day party to celebrate their love.
When we first met at the gym, and he just asked me what spinning is all about. A few days later, he showed up at my very early class.
It was at 5:45, I think.
Yeah. People just don't show up at 5:45 a.m. classes. It was love at first sight. We're going to be married 10 years this year, and we'd really love to do something special for Valentine's Day. So it would be really great to have friends and family over to celebrate this special milestone.
We got married at my family cottage. As Gina said, the weather turned out to be great, so everyone had a great time.
We love nature, and ever since we first started dating, we've been doing canoe trips and things that are active in nature.
Valentine's Day has sort of been low-key, since we've had kids.
Do you want to get the ketchup out?
Responsibilities come up, life gets busy.
No, Jay, hun.
We'd like to do something special this year.
It would be really wonderful to have help to make this celebration a great day.
When I'm thinking about what I want to do for Gina and Jonathan, I'm just thinking about how can we bring in different elements from their relationship. So they got married at a cottage, let's bring in something rustic. It's been 10 years, let's do something big. I want a craft that makes people say, oh my goodness, that's incredible. So my plan is I'm gonna do a gorgeous, big string art piece. Basically, it'll be a piece of glossy plywood that is covered with geometric string that's ombre from one side to the other. It's gonna incorporate their names, just like it was in their wedding invitation. It's gonna incorporate a heart, of course, because it's Valentine's Day. And then we'll have Marcella, we'll have the ombre, we'll have string, we'll have wood for their cottage, and it'll all come together as one big masterpiece. Good to use a hammer, but I do want to make sure that the nails go deep enough that the string won't pull the nail out, but shallow enough that obviously they don't go through the other side. So it's kind of a game of chance and precision at the same time. Love that Gina's nice and short, but I'm kind of dreading Jonathan. Why does he have to have such a long name? So I'm finally in the home stretch. This has taken forever. My back is killing me. My fingers are killing me. But I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I think it looks amazing. Even before we have string in here, it looks so nice. So the paper's gonna come out. The final letter. Finally, last piece done, and we are ready for the string. I can't wait. This will definitely be the fun part, and after all that hammering, I just want to do something more creative. All right, let's go crazy. I've never done a string art project before. I had this vision in my mind. I thought, oh, this is going to look amazing, but to be honest, I didn't really know how it was going to turn out. I'm kind of stressed about the time, because as I'm doing this, this is fun. This is kind of therapeutic and relaxing, but seriously, I need to get this done. I'm gonna finish this up with one final knot.
Wow, look at all the colors.
Denise, Adjoa, and I are really happy with what we've done with this holiday makeover.
Check out the string art.
Look at the detailing.
We created an intricate, colorful string art statement piece using Gina and Jonathan's wedding invitation as inspiration.
Great job. I think everyone will have a blast here tonight.
Can't wait for everybody to